Hi everyone, this is me Ila Sharma. I have recently completed my IELTS course at HEXA'S Jinnah and I am here to share my feelings about the journey. It almost 3 months. Our batch number was HZ5024. Our course teachers were Mubin sir and Fariha ma'am. Those teachers were very helpful, and their guidance and support makes me very confident to prepare for IELTS exam. I think this course plan is good enough for students to prepare and get a good result. And we completed each modules very well by our teachers, and I am very really pleased to be recognized as best performer in the class. And this award was the highlights of my class. And last of all, I would say about the management body of HEXA'S. They were very helpful to me, and once again I want to thankful to my teachers Mubin sir and Fariha ma'am for giving such kind of class.